everyone, I'm Laura and welcome to Living on Cruise Control, where 1 year ago I left the corporate grind to pursue my dream of living full-time on cruise ships. Here we are at 9361, which is an accessible Cabana Mini-Suite, and these are the ones that are on the corner. So left side here, you're gonna have some closet space. And then let me just kind of do a pan of the room. It's almost like it's two rooms. So you have this like living room couch area. There's a wall there. And then this looks like it's being set up for two people. Lower beds, lower vanities, lower lights. You can also see, so the beds are closer to the ground. Lots of walking space between the beds, which is really nice. And then you can see the outlets right here behind the pillow. You've got your outlets and plugs that are also close to the ground, which is super nice. So this is like a bedroom space. You've got a TV back here. I don't see curtains separating this bedroom area, but I do see curtains. So you've got your cabana space, which we'll go to in a minute. Let's take a look at the living room. So here's your living room TV. You've got a 3-seater couch right there, and again you kind of have that room divider. This looks like it's a shared door, so there's another connecting room. Here is your vanity area, which looks about the same height to me. You've got a mirror, lots of good counter space. This is more counter space, I think, than the regular Cabana Mini-Suites. You've got two drawers right here. So there's two of these drawers. Oh, looks like they have a lock on them. Okay. You've got a handle here with your dry bar blow dryer. Here's your mini fridge. And then in the closet itself, you've got a safe that's lower than the other rooms. Some lower hangers right there, some higher hangers. So lots of good hanging space. You've got some ropes and your life jackets. And then here, you've got extra shelves, some extra towels for the patio. And then you have 3 of these drawers, same nice deep drawers that appear to be the same. But let's go look at the balcony, because I think that's going to be the real game changer. So you go through this first balcony door and you've got your cabana room. This cabana room looks exactly the same. It looks like there's a ramp cover here on the ground that makes this smooth, so there's no step. You've got your second TV, some extra towels for when you go on the balcony. But check this view out. If you're finding this video informational or inspirational, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another update or tip from my experience living on cruise ships. So this view here on the corner is beautiful. So it's a really large balcony, and you've got the view there of the middle dome space. Right there, you do have people above you, but only one cabin. Let me take a look here. So we're going all the way out, so you can get a really good sense. And the cabin above you really doesn't look down on you. And then the ones above that are like set back. So actually this balcony has a lot of privacy, except for maybe some of these balconies that are here in that dome space. But look at all the room that you have here. It even goes around. Oh, that's so nice. You can even be back in this little corner if you want to put a chair back there. Looks like you have connecting rooms always if you want to open that door. But this balcony space is huge and really nice. So if you're looking for an accessible room, this is beautiful here on deck 9. When I'm curious if you have access to the cabana deck, I'll double check that. Actually, with guest services, But as far as an accessible room with the large balconies, it's huge. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate your support. Please subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you on a cruise one day. Thanks.